Hello everybody, this is Dr. Casen DeMaria with the Drugless Doctors. Welcome to our Westlake office. So over here what we have is we have our wellness store. We have a variety of nutrients as well as health products that are going to help to improve function in your body. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head on over here. And this is where all of the magic happens. And Dr. Anthony is right here. So when our members come in and they start their chiropractic care, we have different adjusting suites. And Dr. Anthony is going to show you a little bit about what we do behind these corridors.
So come on with me. So we have 4 different semi-private adjusting suites in our office. We have these tables that are designed for us to make simple, light, gentle corrections with everybody that we're working with. When someone's in the office as well, we have all of their information that we've gathered from them on the screen in front of us so that we can give them the very best care in our office. So let me show you around a little bit more. So as we go through our office here as well, we have several different consultation rooms. And we're going to be transitioning into here. And this is where we come in initially to have an evaluation. So this is Dr. Casen and Dr. Bob.
So when you first come into our office, this is your initial appointment. So we're going to sit down with you and talk about your health goals, what's going on, and what you've done up until now. One of the most important evaluations that we do is to evaluate your spine and your nervous system. And how we do that is we have this posture zone here. So Dr. Bob, what I'm going to have you do, take a small step forward, and we take images from the front and then also turn to the side as well as from the side. And this is so important because we're looking at overall posture, movement, and any type of deviation. And Dr. Bob, if you want to explain what else we do in that initial appointment, which is so important because we're going over all of those items that have happened to you up until now, and you might not really realize that this can impact your overall health and wellness.
I think what's so significant what we do in our practice, I'll have Dr. Casen come here and stand. We have digital films. Digital films have minimal exposure, and we like to do what we call postural films. The individual is standing up because gravity is continually pushing down on top of you. It gives us more of an exact dynamic of what's happening to you over time. And then what we also like to do is we take films, and Dr. Casen will just show, we'll take our head backwards, we'll take a film, and then forward. We are incorporating motion. So after we're done with our films, we have another tool where we measure thermal activity along your spine. We take all this information together and we create a report. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to one of the consultation rooms that we have and we utilize, and we actually enjoy using visual models. And Dr. Anthony will show you an example of some of the films that we use at our office.
Now this is an example of what we would do is we would sit down with someone and go over their findings and create a plan of action for them based on all the information that we collected. So we always like to create something based on someone's goals and our findings so that they can be at the top of their performance when it comes to their health. So we're inviting you to join us at the Drugless Doctors in Westlake. I think that you will enjoy yourself, and I know you'll be glad you did.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.